मेटामर्स और पोजीशन आइसोमर्स में डिफरेंस क्या है, बहुत ही कम स्टूडेंट जानते हैं। ये डिफरेंस जानना बेहद ज़रूरी है क्योंकि जेई और नीट एग्जाम में मेटामर्स और मेटामेरिज्म रिलेटेड जो भी क्वेश्चन आते हैं उसे गलती से स्टूडेंट्स पोजीशन आइसोमर्स समझकर गलत ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करते हैं। दिस इज योर फ्रेंड एविन। प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। तो चलिए इस वीडियो में देखते हैं मेटामर्स और पोजीशन आइसोमर्स में डिफरेंस क्या होता है और मेटामर्स के पहचान किस तरह किया जाता है। मेटामर्स क्या होते हैं और मेटामर्स पहचानने के ट्रिक। मान लो अगर क्वेश्चन आया है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स रिप्रेजेंट मेटामर्स, पेंटेन 2-1 एंड पेंटेन 3-1, पेंटेन 2-all and pentan 3-all. Out of these two pairs, which represents metamers? Before we decide which pair represents the metamers, we have to draw the structural formulae of these compounds. Let us draw structural formula of pentan 2-1. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is the structural formula of pentan 2-1. Now I'll draw the structural formula of pentan 3-1, that is CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This is the structural formula of pentan 3-1. Now let us draw the structural formula of pentan 2-all, that is CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is pentan 2-all. Now let us draw the structural formula of pentan 3-all, that is CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH2 and CH3. अगर आप देखोगे पेंटेन 2-1 में कीटोनिक ग्रुप है, इट इज ऑन सेकेंड पोजिशन. इन पेंटेन 3-1 द फंक्शनल ग्रुप कीटोन इट इज प्रेजेंट एट थर्ड पोजिशन. तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये दोनों पोजिशन आइसोमर्स है क्योंकि पोजिशन ऑफ द फंक्शनल ग्रुप हियर एट सेकेंड पोजिशन, हियर एट थर्ड पोजिशन. सो हमें ऐसा लगने के चांसेस है कि ये दोनों पोजिशन आइसोमर्स है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि ये पोजिशन आइसोमर्स है. इसका रीजन क्या है आई विल गिव यू सून. ये दोनों मेटामर्स है, ये दोनों पोजिशन आइसोमर्स है. वाई पेंटेन 2-1 एंड पेंटेन 3-1 आर मेटामर्स ऑफ ईच अदर, वाई पेंटेन 2-all एंड पेंटेन 3-all आर पोजिशन आइसोमर्स ऑफ ईच अदर. इसका रीजन क्या है, ये दोनों मेटामर्स क्यों कहलाते हैं और ये दोनों कंपाउंड्स पोजिशन आइसोमर्स क्यों कहलाते हैं, इन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या होता है, मेटामर्स किस तरह पहचान सकते हैं, उसे कौन से ट्रिक्स लगाने पड़ते हैं, उसे कौन से रूल से हमें डिटेक्ट करना पड़ता है. तो चलिए डिटेल में जानते हैं. अब मेटामर्स पहचानने का सबसे पहला ट्रिक ये है, मेटामर्स में फंक्शनल ग्रुप कार्बन चेन में होता है. देखो यहाँ पे कीटोनिक ग्रुप एक कार्बन चेन का पार्ट होता है. देखो कीटोनिक ग्रुप इट इज पार्ट ऑफ कार्बन चेन. लेकिन पोजीशन आइसोमर्स में फंक्शनल ग्रुप कार्बन चेन के बाहर रहता है. देखो फंक्शनल ग्रुप कार्बन चेन के आउटसाइड है, यहां पे भी आउटसाइड है. तो ये हो गया पहला डिफरेंस. मेटामर्स और पोजीशन आइसोमर्स में पहला डिफरेंस है, फंक्शनल ग्रुप मेटामर्स में कार्बन चेन में दिखाई देता है और फंक्शनल ग्रुप पोजीशन आइसोमर्स में कार्बन चेन के बाहर. सेकेंड क्लू टू डिटेक्ट द मेटामर्स इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन मेटामर्स इट इज ऑलवेज बाइवेलेंट. आई रिपीट, इन मेटामर्स द फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज ऑलवेज बाइवेलेंट. इसका मतलब क्या होता है, देखो कीटोनिक ग्रुप अगर आप देखोगे, a ketonic group it is forming the bond from two ends, therefore it is a bivalent functional group. Other bivalent functional groups are sulfonyl functional group, ether functional group or amine functional group. These are bivalent functional group. They exist in the metamers. And in case of position isomers में आपको generally monovalent functional group दिखाई देते हैं, जैसे कि OH. OH is forming a bond from one end, therefore it is a monovalent. Similarly, chlorine, bromine. In position isomers, monovalent functional groups, they exist. Example, halogens or hydroxyl, that is alcoholic functional group, etc. But in case of metamers, always there will be a bivalent functional group such as ketonic, sulfonyl, ether or amine. And third and most important condition for metamers is the number of carbon atoms either side of the functional group. If you see in this compound, the left side of the functional group, there is only one carbon atom. And in this compound, left side of the functional group, there are two carbon atoms. That means these two compounds, they are differing in the number of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. Therefore, these two are metamers of each other. Therefore, the definition of metamers is, metamers are the compounds having same molecular formula but they differ in the number of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. If you see right side of the functional group, there are 3 carbon atoms, and in this compound right side of the functional group there are only 2 carbon atoms. Therefore, these two compounds, they are differing in the number of carbon atom on either side of the functional group. And these two compounds, they are also following the remaining conditions for metamers. That is, the metamers must possess a bivalent functional group. Therefore, these two compounds are possessing bivalent functional group. And these two compounds are also following one more condition of metamers. That is, the functional group must be the part of the chain. So these two compounds, they are fulfilling 3 conditions. That is, the functional group must be bivalent. Yes, these two have bivalent functional group. And second condition, functional group must be the part of the carbon chain. Therefore, the functional group is the part of the carbon chain. And third condition is the metamers must differ in the number of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. Here there is only one carbon atom left side of the functional group, and here there are 2 carbon atoms at left side of the functional group. If you consider right side there are 3 carbon atoms, and right side there are only 2 carbon atoms. That means they are differing in the number of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. That means these two are metamers as they are satisfying 3 conditions, and these two are position isomers. When we call the compounds are positional isomers, when the functional group generally it is monovalent and it is not the part of the carbon chain. I give you few more examples of metamers, and if you remember these example, that is more than enough. You can detect the pairs of metamers very easily by going through these examples. All these 3 pairs are examples of metamers because they are satisfying 3 conditions of metamerism. The first condition, the functional group must be bivalent. Here there is a bivalent functional group. Here also there is bivalent sulfonyl group. Here also bivalent ethereal group is present. And second condition, the functional group must be a part of chain. Here amine group is present in the chain, and here sulfonyl group is present in the chain, and here ethereal group is present in the chain. And third condition, the number of carbon atoms must differ in the 2 compounds on either side of the functional group. Left side of the functional group, here only 1 carbon atom, here 2 carbon atoms. That means they are differing in the number of carbon atoms in the either side of the functional group. And if you observe here, sulfonyl functional group, left side of the functional group, there are 2 carbon atoms, here only 1 carbon atom. That means they are differing in the number of carbon atoms either side of the functional group. And in the third example, left side of the functional group, ethereal group, there are 6 carbon atoms, and here left side of the functional group, there are 6 and 1, 7. That means they are differing in the number of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. I hope you have understood how to recognize the metamers. Please take the screenshot of this. This is your friend Avin. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. I am thankful to YouTube and millions of YouTube viewers.